In this video, I am going to show you how you can simply add subtitles to your video, just like the one you are watching. Alright guys, so the first thing to do is to download the application called CapCut. Alright, just click the link in the description of this video to download the application, or go to Play Store or App Store and search for CapCut, then download the application. Alright, so once you download the application, just open it. Then this is what you are going to see, as you can see. So right now I am going to tap on this new project. So once I tap on new project, I am going to input the video I want to use. All right, so here's the video I want to use here. I'll tap on this video and I'll click on this add. So once I click on add, I am going to wait for it to load. As you can see, this is it. So I'm going to cut some part of this video. All right, so let me just play it. Okay, I don't want to play it. Okay, I'm going to cut some part of the video, so let me just cut this part. All right guys, so let me delete this. So let's play this and let's see how it sounds. This video I am okay, it's not that perfect. Let me extend this a little bit. In this video I am all right guys, so as you can see, so let me play this video first and let's see how it sounds. Let me tap on this play. In this video, I am going to show you how you can simply add subtitles to your, just like the one you are. Alright guys, so as you can see, so right now I haven't added anything to it. So the first thing to do is just to delete this CapCut watermark. You can simply delete it. Just tap on it, then click on delete. Alright. So once you delete, let me play it again. In this video, I am alright, so I'm going to extend this with my two hands, because right now I want to splint. So let me play it again. In this video, all right, so in this video, after then I'll tap on this video here, then I'll click on this splint. So let me play it again and let's see. So I am going to show you. All right, so I am going to show you. I can just splint again. So let me play it again. How you can simply add. So after then I am going to splint it. So let's play it. Subtitles to your video. All right, splint, just like the one you are watching. All right guys, as you can see, so I have already splint some parts of the video. All right, so once I do that, the next thing for me to do is just to generate auto captions for my video. So for me to do that, I am going to tap on this text, then I'll click on this auto captions. Then you can choose the language you want, but I always love to use English. All right, so I'm going to tap on it again, then I'll tap on this start. All right, so you have to wait for it to load. Okay, let me tap on it again. Let me on my data and let me do it. All right, so I'll tap on start. All right guys, so as you can see, so this is the captions, as you can see. But right now I don't want to use this particular caption. All right, I don't like it. So for you to change it, just tap on the caption. So before I change it, I am going to splint some part of the text. All right, so let me just play it and let's see. In this video, all right, so I said in this video, in the video. So I'm going to tap on this splint. So right now I am splinting the text, not the video. All right, I am splinting the text, not the video. So let me play this again. So I am going to show you how you can simply add video. I am going to show you how you can. All right guys, so in this video I am going to show you how. So let me just I am going to delete this. So make sure that your text is following what you are saying in your video. All right, that's very, very important. Okay, let's play this. How you can simply add. All right guys, so let's just start from this beginning in this video. All right, so I'm going to tap on this particular one. So remember, I have already split this into two. All right, let me play it. In this video I am going to show you. All right, so I'll tap on the first text here, then I'll click on this pencil icon here where the arrow is showing. So I'm going to tap on it. Then right now I can change the text to in this video. All right, so once I do that, I am going to change the text All right, so I'll click on font. Let me just on my data. All right, guys. So let me reload it. So CapCut work with data. All right, so let's wait for it to load. All right, guys, so as you can see, just tap on this import font. I already have the font I import, but you can click on this and choose any font you want. All right, but right now I want to use the font I import, so I'll tap on this import font and I'll tap on this Montserrat. All right, so I think that's all. I am going to off my data now. All right, because I don't want the video to hang. So once you do this, I'm going to split this in this video. So I'm going to split it into two. All right, so we have something like this now. I'll tap on this mark icon. Okay, guys, so we have something like this. As you can see, this is it. So let me tap on this style again and let me change. Let me click on this style. I want to change the, okay, let's see if it is here. Okay, this is it. I'll tap on this spacing, then I'll decrease the spacing of this text. All right, so you can increase it if you want and you can decrease it if you want. So I'll tap on this mark icon here. So this is nice, as you can see in this video. Then immediately I said video, so I'll just tap, let me play it. So at this particular point, I am going to tap on the text, then I'll click on this splint. All right, so right now I'll click on this style, then I'll change the color of this particular video. So I just need to highlight it. So once I highlight it, I'm going to change the color to something orange or yellow. All right, depending on what you want. So I think this is okay, this one here. All right, then you can also, let me click on this mark icon here. So you can also increase the size if you want, so it will give some, what is this called, so that people will know that there is something happening there. All right, so just play it. So let's play this and let's see how it looks. In this video okay, guys, so let me just increase this. So let's play this. In this video, okay, guys, so there's something happening here. Let me tap on this text. I'll click on this style. All right, so make sure if you are doing all this, make sure you turn off this apply to auto caption. So make sure you turn this on where the arrow is showing. So I will turn this on. All right, so if you turn it on, it will affect your video. All right, so I'm going to decrease the size of this. I don't want it to be too big. All right, guys, so this one I'll just decrease the size a little bit. All right, so let's just play this. In this video, as you can see. All right, so this is so nice. So let me just tap on this again. So let me just increase the size a little bit. All right, so guys, you can go to this second video here, then you can just zoom in the video. All right, just zoom in. Then this particular one here, let me play it and let's see. Video, I am going to show you. All right, I am going to show you. So let me just decrease the size of this and let me change the text. In this video, I am going to show you. So let me just delete this, then I'll split this into two. I am going to show you. All right, I am going to show you. So you can just let me click on these scissors and let me just write it in capital letter. All right, I am going to show you depending on what you want. All right, so let me just put this here. So adding auto caption to your video is not easy at all. All right, adding subtitles to your video is not easy, so just have to keep doing it and you definitely get it. So let me just put this here. So make sure it is straight. It is in the middle. All right, that's what I'm trying to achieve here. So let me just leave this way. All right, then you can just click on this style, Then I'll just highlight this show you. I'm going to highlight it. Then I'll click on this style. So you can change the color to something green. Alright, depending on what you want. So let me just change the color to this. Alright, so let's play this. I am going to show you how. Then this particular one again, you can just edit it. Like I said, it is not easy to add auto caption to your video. Alright, so let me just stop here. As you can see, it is very, very simple to do. Alright, so let me just play this. I am going to show. So let me splint this. I am going to tap on it. Then I'll click on this splint. So right now I want to change the color of this show you. So I'll tap on this place where the arrow is showing. Then I will highlight this show you. Then I'll change the color to something orange or yellow. Alright, so this is it. Alright guys, so depending on what you want, you can just play around it and you'll definitely get it. Alright, so let's play this and let's see how it looks. In this video, I am going to show you how you can. Alright guys, so that's so perfect. Alright, like I said, you can just play around it and you'll definitely get it. Alright, so let me decrease the size of this. So let's play this. In this video, I am going to show you how you can. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is so perfect. Then you can simply rotate your text. If you want to rotate your text, you can simply rotate it right here where the arrow is showing. So depending on what you want. Alright, so you can rotate your text if you want to. But make sure that your text is straight. It is in the middle. Alright, I don't know why I can't place my text in the middle right here. But make sure that your text is very straight. In this video, I am going to show you how you. Alright guys, so that's so perfect as you can see. And I'm going to show you. Alright, so you can just play around this like I said and you definitely get it. Alright, so this is the end of this video tutorial. I have several videos on CapCut, how to add caption to CapCut, how to do a lot of things on CapCut, so you definitely understand more about CapCut. Alright, so I'm going to drop the playlist in this video right now. Alright, so just tap on the video that is showing on your screen to watch the video playlist on how you can simply use CapCut to create captions, to create amazing videos. Alright, so guys, I will see you in my next video tutorial.